So today I'm bringing you a really quick and easy meal that you can do at home. This is a meal inspired by Chipotle, and it takes about 30 minutes or so to make, and it just has a lot of really wholesome goodness in this meal. It's so good. I love all these toppings. So yeah, let's just jump right in and I'll show you what you need to make this. So I'm starting off with my rice, and right now the water's already boiling, and I've added in all my spices. It's a mixture of garlic, parsley, onions, green peppers, red peppers, and all of that's kind of blended in together, and then just thrown in here. So that'll give the food some good flavor. And then I'm going to add in about half a cup of coconut milk. It just makes it really rich and it just tastes so delicious. Give that a good stir, and I'm making about 2 cups of rice here. That should be plenty for at least, I would say, a family of 4, or even if it's just for yourself, it should last you about 2 days. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of oil, add in my 2 cups of rice, and then I'm going to just let that cook, and that takes about 30 minutes or so. While my rice is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and work on everything else that I need for this meal. So here I'm just going to heat up some oil. I'm going to throw in my chicken, and I'm going to just saute that. I'm going to add in my seasoning, and I love to add in just some parsley and some crushed red pepper. I'm leaving the salt out for this because I've already added it to the rice and everything else has salt, and that would kind of be overkill. So I'm leaving the salt out for this, but you can just add basically just your seasoning of choice, and I'm just going to cook that until it's nice and golden brown. So my rice is pretty much done. I'm just going to sprinkle in a little bit of cilantro and some lime juice. And while all of this was cooking, I was heating up my beans, and they already came kind of pre-cooked in the can. I just went ahead and heated them up. So my meal is pretty much done right now. So if you're looking for a really quick and easy meal, this pretty much is it. It has a little bit of everything. You've got your rice, your beans, your meat, your veggies. I mean, this is great. And like, you know, if you have kids, they will love to eat this too. So yeah, this is a great meal that you can do. You don't have to go anywhere, and you can get an amazing Chipotle dinner or lunch. You can eat this for lunch as well, but it just tastes so good, and I just love all the flavors in this meal. And I like to top it off with some sour cream, and you can add some cheese to this. I didn't add any cheese, but you can. That's an option. But yeah, pretty much you can just make this however you want, however you like. Add in your favorite seasonings and your toppings, and it's just a really hearty meal. So yeah, I hope that this gave you some inspiration for some cooking ideas. And let me know, what are your go-to meals? This one's definitely an easy one for me that I know everybody would love to eat. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.